How to create cinematic photo effects in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo and select the image you want to transform into a cinematic shot or capture a new one using the camera icon. Once the image opens in the editing workspace, start by tapping on Adjust from the bottom toolbar. Use tools like brightness, contrast, exposure, and saturation to fine-tune the lighting and mood. Lowering the saturation slightly and increasing contrast can give your image a dramatic tone. Now, apply a cinematic color tone using hue, temperature, and tint sliders. For example, cool tones with teal shadows and warm highlights can create that famous teal and orange film look. Add grain and fade to give your photo a film-like texture. This adds character and depth to the image. Finally, crop the image to a wide aspect ratio like 21:9 or 16:9 for that movie style frame. Tap the check mark and save your final image. And that's it. Now you know how to create cinematic photo effects in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.